Alright, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I will just a little bit of a I don't know how to say this other than the ending of this video isn't is not good. I'm really not gonna say I don't want to post this video, because I do. I just got this G7X. You guys will see in a little bit. Didn't start filming with it that day. Went ahead and finished filming with my phone for this video. Ran into a bunch of complications with editing tonight. So I hope you guys do enjoy. If you guys do enjoy, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. One thing we can look forward to is editing with this camera and not having to do it all on my phone anymore. So using the camera and the laptop and using the software, and not having to run into memory space issues or free up space to upload or just a bunch of nonsense I'd rather not get into and talk to you guys about. I just want to let you guys know that this is the last video being filmed with my phone, and the next videos of us putting together the engine, building everything, and just the whole channel in general is going to be filmed with the G7X from now on. So bear with me, it's been a while. Been using this janky-ass phone for quite some time. I'm not proud of the video I'm about to edit. I just don't feel very strong about it. The ending, there's really no ending to it. It just gets cut off due to memory on the phone. So bear with me. Just please understand, and that's not going to happen anymore. I do have a 64 gigabyte memory card in this bad boy right here, so we're not going to be running out of any space anytime soon. I thought about getting a better memory card for the phone, and just was like, nah, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on the G7X for better camera quality and stability, and better for low lighting. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I just wanted to just throw that out there before you guys go ahead and watch, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and you like this video, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button and subscribe for more. This is MRC Garage, Midnight Racing Cartel. What we got going on today, we got a big surprise for you for the D Series. We got the motor back from CSS. We haven't even unboxed it yet. Right now, I just got done moving. I moved to a house closer to my shop, instead of being so far from where I was. I would have to drive roughly 25 minutes from my house to here, so I changed that. I cut that in half for about like 15 minutes. So it's about a 15-minute drive, then a 20-minute drive, and I'm always here, always running into the town close to my shop, so it makes more sense. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger on got a place on the channel. Cameron went ahead and got this EF.
I gave you my heart.
We went ahead and threw the rotas on it. While I was out on the road, I had him throw the rotas. It's got a NRG quick release. It's got a D15 B1, which is it's a D series. I know most of you guys on the channel probably don't like the D series until you'll see what they're capable of when I get mine to 600 horsepower on 40 pounds boost. So I love D series. I love all series of engines, but the one I love the most is the D. I mean, everyone hates it, and being the underdog is
who doesn't like the D's, bro?
Double D's. That's what we're calling them. Anyways, so the purple's gonna go. I don't know, Cam. What do you think?
I'm still thinking either yellow or white for red, white, and blue, or mustard and ketchup.
All right. So we've got my EKs in there. Lewis's EG out here. We're gonna get turn signals. Still got to get a lot of things buttoned up on this one. But I mean, I'm digging the whole EF. I love it. Only thing I'm not liking, guys, is the purple. Post down in the comments what you think of the color. I'm thinking I don't think a complete can. I've got a good paint gun. I've got good paint gun. I've got good paint. If you buy good quality clear, good quality paint, it shouldn't be a problem. But if you cheap out on paint, it's just gonna come out like ass,
Well,
no matter what.
What do you
so.
think then? Because like red, white, and blue, I don't fucking.
I'm thinking championship white. I'm thinking we
that-
scuff the whole car down. The car is already.
Yes.
It was already white once. They did a piss poor job. In other words, they didn't do the door jambs when they painted it.
They didn't paint the whole interior yet.
They
The
didn't.
back end is white.
They didn't do it the proper way. Cameron, believe it or not, got this car for a PS4 and
10
what?
games.
10 games?
10 games, PlayStation, and 1 controller.
And a
With the
PlayStation.
cords. So basically, not a starter set, but 10 games, 1,000 gig PlayStation with 1 controller and the cords. I got $2,500 worth of car.
And it's got coilovers. Check
for like
this. It's already
$400
got.
for PlayStation.
If you guys can see that in here, there.
And the guy
There
was
they
really
are.
cool about it, yeah.
Look at those. Look how. Let's see it focus. There it is. Look at them. Beautiful.
Hey, Lewis, catch, bro.
They're flipping beautiful. Better than mine, but it is up high right now. It's raised up. It's got about, the Aston's got 2 fingers. Front end's got about 4. So it goes down a lot more. We put the rotas on it. They're covered in brake dust from my car. So we've got to probably take off these lug nuts. We've got some better lug nuts, and they're not some eBay cheap aluminum lug nuts. They're actual nice lug nuts, good quality lug nuts. But let me know what you guys think. We pretty much got the shop, everything cleaned out, like just about everything is cleaned out. This is reorganized. So we got my head cam, the Z6, Cameron's twin cams, which are for sale. They are Type S cams. If you want them, post in the comments. Whatever, $50, $100, whatever. Throw us an idea. You know, throw us what you think they're worth, and we'll ship them out to you if we feel comfortable about the price. Got my dash up here. Car we're going to be doing soon. Lewis and Joel are going to be working on for somebody while I'm out on the road. So.
Oh, he's bringing his Nissan soon too, because he's gonna take it out. He's finally paying what's his name, Johnny, to take his stuff out.
Okay,
Lewis,
cool.
didn't you say your
All
Rico
right.
has an EG too, or did he sell it?
He doesn't have the EG more. He has a
So-
Nissan Sentra, you know the nice one.
The good ones?
That's
like
what's
SCR
up.
or whatever?
Yeah, and he has the
RB26?
No, the blue top.
Last video, I don't know if
We did.
have I put that. I don't think I put that in there. We went to Harbor Freight, made a couple stops, and we got an Earthquake XT, brand new. Haven't even got any time on it yet. I do love what Earthquake provides. If you have a good compressor, a lot of the times, you know, if you don't have a good compressor, a lot of it just turns out to be garbage. But I can't really say how well it works as of right now, but I will definitely in the next couple videos let you guys know what I think of it and my honest opinion. That way, if it turns out to be trash or garbage, then people who are watching this, and you guys don't have to go waste your money on it. So I'm an honest person. If it's garbage, I'm not gonna lie and say, "Oh, it's cool, it's great." No, if it's garbage, I'm gonna let you know about it. I'm gonna speak my mind about it. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up all this, and then we're gonna get to the good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and throw the D-Series back on the engine stand and show you guys what pistons, what cam. We're gonna show you we're gonna show you everything, what we got coming. So stay tuned. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, go and smash that like button right now. Let's get this video up. What do you think? 20 likes? 30? Alright, we'll shoot for 30 likes on this video. So if you guys are still watching, go ahead and smash that like button and share it right now. So go ahead and click that share button, like it,
and subscribe if you haven't already. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the rest of this up, and we'll get back to you guys. Guys, it's a moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and set it down on the. So it's gonna set it down right there on the floor. Let's set it down on the floor because I don't want to open on the hood and like I just want a good spot to set it down. And so I'm excited. Our stickers. So the thing about what CSS does is it's a CNC machined block guard for those of you who don't know. So it saves the fact of you having to go out and buy dart sleeves. It does exactly what it doesn't do exactly what sleeving will do to your block, but it's going to strengthen your block 100% so you can put like, 40 plus pounds of boost to it. There's, other ways to build it, but CSS, as I was saying, with not having to get dart sleeves or any of that nonsense, CSS offers a guaranteed won't sink, won't shift, won't leak, and runs cooler and costs way less. So I'm excited. I hope that was good enough.
I hope we're like, dude,
right.
This is gonna be lit.
All right, guys. So moment of truth. I'm nervous. I can't even talk right now. But shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, it even came with the fucking copper wire, so I didn't even have to order it. Like, okay, so from GoldenEaglePerformance.com, for those of you who don't know, Golden Eagle makes a lot of things for Hondas, including fuel rails, intake manifolds, just about everything you could possibly think of, and they do provide this right here. So they do have this. I don't know if this is enough. I might just go ahead and get the spool. But man, look at this.
Oh, they did a Preston block guard.
Yeah, that's yeah. Look at that. All right, guys.
Crispy clean.
And for O-rings, the O-rings go right in here. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on the engine stand. Oh man. Oh.
All right.
Oh, I'm excited. I can't. For all you haters out there, man. Oh. Here's the pudding with the poop. I'm just a kid. Yeah, I am just a kid. But you know what? I'm a kid with the shop, a kid with a fucking badass motor, and a kid about to have a 600 horsepower fucking Civic.
And a kid with really good friends.
And really good friends. And
My
really
brothers.
good friends. And all my brothers and all my friends. So.
Where's Eli's at now?
Boosted No Nips is about to have them nips on fire.
Oh shit! For those of you who don't know, we call it boosted no nips because literally the valves are smaller than your nipples. Like the valves in these D series are about the size, if not smaller than your nipples, depending on your nipple size. If you've got big nipples, then hey, I don't know what to tell you, but I've got pretty small nips, and
I've seen people that got nipples like Elijah's valves.
like that big around. Alright guys,
Here, I'm just gonna cut back right here.
I'll hold the bar so you got it?
yeah. Alright guys, so we went ahead, we got her on the engine stand. A few concerns. I did send an email to CSS to see whether or not it's gonna be 100% okay. But right here, we've got got minor slit and a crack right here, but everywhere else is okay. I am concerned. I did spend a lot of money on this, but I'm not scared or worried. I'm gonna go ahead, see what they say when they get back to me, throw it all together in the next video. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and in the next couple videos, it's gonna be the build process. And like I said, here's a little, I don't know, there's a lot going on. What's going on? Anyways, so, it's a little bit off track, but here's a little bit of a slideshow of everything, a build breakdown of everything I'm going to be getting. So we can be looking forward to as far as camshafts, valve springs, retainers, just about the whole top and bottom end and everything about this motor. So here's a little slideshow of that. And we're gonna be moving the cars right now.
I'm just
see.
leaving it right next to Lewis's, just like what you told me.
So we've got Lewis's EG out here. What is going on, guys? It is the next day. Me, Cameron, and my girlfriend, we just got back from autocross, so we just stopped here at Best Buy and was trying to make a decision whether or not I should get the G7X. So I know I said in the past I was gonna get the G7X and just never got it. Blah blah blah. Was looking at the gimbal for $279 for the GoPro, and I couldn't pull the trigger on that, so I went ahead and we made the decision, the group decision, and we got a G7X Mark II. So they have the Mark III, but the reviews on it fucking sucked. So that was like $700, and so I went ahead and got the G7X Mark II, and right now we're gonna head back to the shop and we're gonna go test this bad boy out. And probably put the XXRs on Cameron's EF and probably start tearing into it. So
Let's get to it.
yeah, let's get to it, and we'll see you when we get there.
Let's go get your